I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello. In this video I will explain how to iron double pleated pants, ensuring a sharp, professional look. First, make sure your iron and ironing board are clean. Set your iron to the correct temperature for your fabric type. For most dress pants, a medium heat works well. Turn your pants inside out and press all the pockets flat. This prevents them from creating new wrinkles on the outside. A light mist of fabric sizing or starch will help achieve a crisp finish. Now, turn your pants right side out and lay them flat. Find each pleat by pinching the top and gently pulling to reveal its natural line. If needed, use a few pins to hold the pleats in place, but remember to remove them before ironing that spot. Press each pleat from top to bottom, applying steam to create a very sharp crease. Take your time and let each pleat cool for about 5 seconds before moving on, ensuring it sets perfectly. Next, lay one pant leg flat on the board, carefully aligning the inner and outer seams. If your pants have a crease, make sure it's perfectly straight down the center. Iron the leg from the top near the pleats all the way down to the hem. Remember to lift the iron after each press, rather than dragging it across the fabric. This technique prevents stretching and unwanted shine. Repeat these steps for the second pant leg, aiming for identical, crisp creases. To finish, gently iron around the waistband, using the iron's tip for areas like belt loops. If your pants have cuffs, press them flat and smooth. Take a moment to inspect the entire garment for any missed wrinkles. This is crucial. Once satisfied, let the pants cool completely on the board for at least 2 minutes. Hanging them immediately on a good quality hanger will help them retain their perfect, wrinkle-free shape until you are ready to wear them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.